Hello everyone, today in this video I'll talk about the scholarship opportunities in the Faculty of Construction and Environment at the Hong Kong Polytechnic University. So this is the Faculty of Construction and Environment, Department of Building and Real Estate. Scholarships offered in that program, there are three categories of entry scholarships are offered to applicants of BRE master programs who have excellent academic program background. BRE entry scholarship for master program, tuition fee waiver for 1 year plus subsidies allowance of maximum $50,000, maximum 2 awards per program. BRE entry scholarship program for master students, Tier 1 for Polytechnic, Hong Kong Polytechnic University, FCE graduate in recent 3 years. They will provide tuition fee waiver for 1 year plus subsidies, allowance, and 50,000, maximum 2 awards, department level and limited to applicant who pursue full-time study. Only applicant, this is third category of the scholarship, only applicable to full-time students who do not undertake any full-time employment. No application is required. Nomination of the qualified candidate for entry scholarship will be made by program leader. Awardee will be informed of the result individually. So they are saying that you just need to submit your application for postgraduate and undergraduate, and they will nominate the scholarship applicants by themselves. You don't need to submit separate application for that. Yeah, if you will have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. There are some highlights about different scholarships. You can also take a look here. If you will have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then you can subscribe to our channel. I'll add the link in the description. Take care and bye bye.